This is my new secret bait. Mini pepperoni sandwiches. You gotta see this. Oh, there we go. I got a nice one. Channel cat. Big one. Whoa. Man, oh, man, oh, man. Oh. Motorboating across the top of the water. He is not happy about this at all. Now he's just staying down. What we got there? Oh boy. Oh, that's not a channel cat. That's a bullhead. About a 6 pound, 7 pound bullhead. Hopefully he won't bust the line. Or not bust the line, but shake that little hook. There he is. Oh, that's a big bullhead, isn't it? Yeah. Hooked in the whisker. We'll call him Mr. Whisker. The Mr. Whisker. Oh, there we go. Whoa. This one's pulling. That might be a kitty cat. What we got there? No. Oh, it's a shell cracker. Nice one. Oh, he's fat. That one's a lot more healthy than the other one. Let's see here. So, what do you think? Do you think they like pepperoni sandwiches? That's a good looking fish. It's just a Mission soft tortilla shell sandwich. That's the sandwich bread. Then it's pepperoni, chopped up pepperoni. You could eat it yourself. I might eat one. Who knows? This first one's gone to the fish. One of these days I'm gonna fall in out there. Go out there, show people shit. At any rate, good morning world, good morning. Let's get this pepperoni sandwich ready to go. I'm gonna put this little tiny circle hook through it twice. I'm using high vis braided line, 20-pound test, and I think it's 17-pound fluorocarbon leader, and the ittiest bittiest circle hook you ever saw. Okay, there it is in the water. Nope, pepperoni's still on there. There we go. I got one. Come here, you. Feels like he's pulling pretty good. Oh, yeah. That's what we're here for. There it is. The shore shell crackle, huh? Also known as red ear sunfish. Alright, where's my fish outers? Here they are. And he's a grody fish. Don't look too healthy yet. Oh. Get rid of him quick like a bunny.